how do I turn my composition into a 3D scene? Well, working in After Effects, you're eventually going to want to turn your scene into a 3D composition. To do that, all you have to do is come up here to Layer, make sure your composition is selected first, then go up to Layer, go to New, and select Camera, or alternately, you can come down here and right-click, go to New, and select Camera, and this will allow you to drop a camera within your scene. So this is the settings for camera. You're going to click OK. Now, something you're going to have to keep in mind is that this is still technically a 2D scene. I can't go around it within the 3D realm whatsoever. That's because it does not see this layer as a 3D object yet. What you're going to have to do is come down here to the checkbox with the little cube, make sure it's turned on. Now you'll notice that I have another access point that just jumps right in there. So if I go up here, which is the 3D manipulator tools, I can click on it and simply move around within my 3D scene. Now you'll notice that there's a little drop down box up here, because this is going to have to be very important for you guys to remember. If you go up here and grab your scene and start moving it around, this is not moving the 3D scene around. It's still a 2D layer. So if I come in here and grab my object, start moving it around, I'm just moving that around within a 2D realm. So if you go within your 3D scene though, you can simply hold down the button and you have three options: orbit, track, camera tool, and track in the Z camera tool. So I'm going to hit that and simply just grab it and move it around. Now I'm moving within my 3D realm. Now a shortcut for this is the C key. I simply tap it, it'll jump through all three of those tools. So now I'm on rotate, I'm pan, and then pan in the Z axis. So there you go. That's how you manipulate your objects to turn them into 3D objects within After Effects.